Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. En cualquier parte del mundo donde te encuentres ahora. Yeah, that's the Spanish greetings. That means hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part of the world you are now. Yeah, I learned that from a walking buddy. She's a Spanish, but she's a non-speaking English. So, and like, I don't understand what she's saying. So, got to learn the language, even little by little. Yeah, like little by little. So I could connect with her through a simple conversation. Yeah, so let's go back now to my main content. And today we're going to be reacting to Ten Ten Pasigan singing the song Making Love Out of Nothing at All. Making Love Out of Nothing at All. In the Tawag ng Tanghalan All-Star Raceback 2025. So this is my first time doing reaction to her. So yeah, this is gonna be a new experience. And I'm excited on it. So let's get started, guys. Come on. Oh, nice voice. The song is familiar. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is originally from the Air Supply, right? Yeah, I think so. Ang ganda ng boses niya. Oh. Maganda siyang mag-express ng emotion. Oh. Nice. And klaro ang boses niya. Yeah, this is what I like for singers na yung talagang klaro ang boses, yung maintindihan mo yung sinasabi, yung mga lyrics. And she's clear, yeah. Naintindihan. Oh, wow. Ano lang siya, di ba? Contestant lang. Hindi pa siya singing professionally. Or is she? Comment down below sa mga nakakaalam. Kasi parang parang maganda na ang boses niya. Parang she looks like singing already professionally. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Kaya niya. Oh. Gusto ko ang version niya. Hindi gaanong lumayo sa original, pero kanyang-kanya. Wow. Nakakaderit siya. Okay. Ang ganda ng boses niya, no? At saka, ang ganda ng boses niya sa low notes ba? And then, nakakabirit pala din. Ang ganda ng version niya. Hindi naman siya gaanong lumayo dun sa original version. Pero, yeah, gusto ko. Maganda ang version niya. Kanyang-kanya rin. Yeah, at gusto ko rin ang tono niya sa low tone. At maganda rin ang berit niya, di ba? Kasi hindi yung ipit na ipit. Yung may melody pa rin. So that's it. Thanks for watching.